This is a gorgeous 2004 3560 Regal Commodore. Gorgeous black hull, black canvas, camper canvas package with isinglass, huge swim platform back here. It's a very well equipped boat featuring a generator, a sidebar, liquor dispenser, a huge platform, fold down seats in the cockpit. You got the easy to get forward steps through the windshield to get to your gorgeous sun pad up on the bow here. Foot pedals for your windlass. Just a really cool boat. And this is a V-drive boat, not a stern drive boat. Most of these had stern drives, but this is the popular model. You got approximately 380 hours on a pair of big block Volvos. Lots of room in here. Love the semicircular seating here. This is the sidebar beverage dispenser. This is where you hide all your beverage to come out of the beverage dispenser. Nice big refrigerator with a combination ice maker here in the cockpit. Again, you got all this room back here. That's a fold down seat back there. You got a great helm layout up here. GPS plotter. It's a Raymarine C80 unit, nice unit. You got a Tri-Data, you got a VHF, and you got a bowthruster here, a Vetus, which the previous owner installed on this boat. He was having problems docking it in the current and put that in to help out. They call this boat now a 3680, I think, because it's a huge boat for a 34-footer. It's really more like 36 feet. You got a couple of steps down into the salon, and you got a lot of room down here. You got your galley. The settee is already converted here, so that turns into a double. You got salon TV here. Nice counter space in the galley. Nice refrigeration. Beautiful teak and holly floors in this boat. Nice size refrigerator. You got this huge mid cabin back here which converts to a double, so you got plenty of room. You could sleep 6 adults on this boat if you needed to. Here's your main distribution panel. This is the master stateroom here, so it's an athwartship berth, kind of side by side, and then you do have solid wood pocket doors to give you some privacy here as well. That's a pretty cool feature. Nice big head with a separate stall shower. You got lots of room in here. So it's a nice big salon. That's a big old giant dehumidifier that the owner has on board here for some weird reason. Two steps back up to the cockpit. And you got this great table for dining or just hanging out. You got the flip down bolster at the helm seat here, a tilt wheel, and you got these 3 easy steps up to the bow. Then you're out on the bow. It's all non-skid up here. You got foot pedals for your windlass right here. Spotlight. Well, this is a great space to be when you're anchored up, and very easy to get to. This again is a 2004 3560 Regal Commodore. Call John Douglas at 843-425-6888 for more info. Thank you.